So let's start with something really simple like line waiting. Okay, so you're in a grocery store, and we all do the same thing, right? You're looking at the lines. Let's say there's 7 lanes open. What are you doing? You're like doing like an Einsteinian, or I guess like a von Neumann-esque calculation, right? You're looking at the cashier, like which cashier looks like it's fastest, like who's got coupons, like how many people are in that line. Well, okay, there's 3 people in that line, but they all only have a few items. There's someone here who's clearly shopping for a family of 17, right? Like it's like a crazy calculation trying to choose the line, right? Now you get into the line and it turns out that it's slow. Do you switch? No. So that's weird, right? Because you did this huge, you did a crazy calculation. Like you needed to take out like a spreadsheet in order to figure out the line that you were going to get into in the first place. But once you're actually in that line, you don't move. Why? Because of exactly what the poker players are doing. This is so fundamental to the way that we think. If you lost, you would have wasted your time in that line. You would have had to actually take the pain of paying, right? It's like cashing out your chips. I lost my time to that line. If I move, I am now experiencing that. But if I stay, I'm going to seek out volatility, right? Like I'm not getting up from the table because maybe the line will speed up. And then I can actually win to having chosen this line.